Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you how the OPXY multi-sampler preset builder works. So a little bit about why I created this. There are obviously a lot of GitHub tools available right now for getting samples into the OPXY or the OP1 field. The reason I created this is because I find a lot of those tools are pretty technical, and for a new person that has this device, it can be difficult to know what the best settings are for your samples and how to actually get them quickly and efficiently into the multi-sampler on the OPXY. I personally have downloaded 24 samples, manually assigned every single one in the multi-sampler on the OPXY, changed the in and outs, the fade. And it can take a really long time. I think it took like an hour and a bit. This just makes it a lot easier to do. Automatically does a lot of the stuff that is industry best practice. So when the in and the out should be on samples. And it also goes ahead and gives you some setting options. Just make it really simple and straightforward for a first time user. So if you click on try the demo in the GitHub repo, it'll bring you to this page. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to go ahead and add in, I've got a few files here, some samples. So this is just from an online sample library that I've pulled for a King's piano. So say for example, all of these samples, I can just use them in the folder option. If I can click them, there we go. It automatically detects what key from the file name these are in, but it also, if it doesn't have the file name, it will use some pitch software to try to automatically detect the key. If it can't automatically detect the key of your sample, it'll manually give the option to assign it with a keyboard above so you get the naming correct. I can show you that later. For audio quality, you have a few different options here. It tells you the default for OPXY and then bit depth as well. So I'm going to go 16-bit. And then it also tells, or it will cut up your samples based on the sample density you want. So because the OPXY does tween between samples, you can either choose a light option where there's a lot more tweening, full option, or somewhere in the middle where it takes 12 samples. So I'm going to go that one. I'm just going to call this King Piano and then create the preset. So this final preset, which I can download here, is immediately usable in the OPXY. So all I have to do is connect up my OPXY via the USB-C to my computer. If I'm on a Mac, I need to make sure that I have the Field Kit app, or on Windows it will work automatically. And then I just unzip this file and drop it into the presets folder on my OPXY, and it'll automatically have cut up the samples and then added them to the multi-sampler instrument in the right spot. So you can see the quick start instructions here on how to do that. Anyways, I hope this is helpful. For those who want to get started quickly and get samples into the OPXY, this tool is designed for you. We've got a few little other features in here that are really handy, like it'll automatically detect different file extensions and then split them into sub presets for you. It just tries to get rid of some of the headache you might have with other tools that have a lot of different options for your samples and your presets. I hope this is helpful. Have a play, let me know what you think. And yeah, good luck out there.